Hey, thank you, Dan. So tell us your story a little bit.
So I started to lose my hearing in my 20s. And when I turned 30, I tried a hearing aid, and it was magical. To lose a sense and gain it back again feels like gaining a superpower. And ever since that moment, I've been on a hunt for ways that technology can augment human capabilities and give us superpowers. And that's what led me to Rewind.
So what's Rewind doing?
So Rewind is a personalized AI powered by everything you've seen, said, or heard. The way it works is it captures your screen and your audio, it compresses it, encrypts it, transcribes it, and stores it all locally on your PC. And then, best of all, you can ask any question of anything you've seen, said, or heard.
Well, that's super cool. And earlier, we talked about this age of the AI PC beginning now, and this ability to capture everything you see here and, be able to transcribe, analyze. But, talking about it, can you show me?
Sure, I have a machine. Let's go.
Okay, let's go take a look here.
All right, here's Rewind. And to show you how it works, I'm going to pull up the timeline. This is what many of us were probably doing last night, looking around and seeing different sessions we might want to attend here at the conference. I can just rewind back and forth in time like a DVR. But the real power comes from asking questions. So here, I'm going to ask Rewind, when and where is the session on chatbots? And what Rewind's going to do, it's going to go back through my memories, things I've captured on my machine, and we'll find that exact moment. Here it says it's the session on chatbots entitled Demystifying Generative AI. Show up to it. It's tomorrow, 12:45 p.m. It'll be in Clubhouse B, and here's a little summary of the actual session.
Hey, that's super cool.
And so this is a great example of going back to a specific moment in your past, but maybe instead you wanted to actually do some work for you. So one of our investors is Sam Altman. So I'm just going to ask Rewind to do my job, which is write me an email to Sam Altman asking him to catch up. And
I was talking to Sam last week, so this is good to see. So let's see what we come up with.
Yeah, so here it's going through all of my experiences, my prior conversations. It mentions that we've raised $33 million from top-tier investors, including him, and gives me a little template. I can just copy and paste, send him an email. I don't have to actually think about it.
And this is leveraging Core and OpenVINO, right?
Yeah, so what I showed you here today was using GPT-4. But what's even better is if we could do this entirely locally. So for the first time ever, I'm going to show you a demo of a personalized AI powered entirely locally on your AI PC using OpenVINO. So let me switch our mode here from GPT-4 to OpenVINO.
Okay, so now everything's going to run locally.
Yeah, and actually to prove it to you, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to actually turn off our Wi-Fi. So hopefully this will work. I'm going to turn off the Wi-Fi.
Okay, we're going to brick it.
So this machine is entirely off of the network. And I'm going to ask very simple question. What is Pat's favorite sound?
Okay. So now we're running locally, right, using OpenVINO Ultra, Core Ultra. Right?
Exactly. Right. Yes. And so it's going to take the data that's from your. Try that one more time. It's going to take data that's from the machine, and here you can see it knows that your favorite sound is your granddaughter's voice calling you Papa.
Okay. Very good. So this to me is killer app domain. I am so excited about these capabilities and the ability to run it all locally. This is my data locally on my machine, right? I don't worry about any of the privacy or other things associated with it, but selectively leveraging the cloud when we need to.
That's right, exactly. Yeah, and I'll just show you one last example. This is an example of using summarization where I'm going to ask it to summarize this keynote. And just for fun, we'll just say use emojis. And we'll see what it comes up with. And here, we sped this up a little bit, but you'll see it's saying this incredible keynote by Pat over here. Future of technology is looking great. Here, there's a starstruck emoji, so the model likes you. And wait, there's more. We're sharing details of the client performance, roadmaps, et cetera. So this really shows you the power of an AI PC, leveraging the data of everything you've seen, said, or heard, and truly giving you superpowers.
Hey, this is so good. Thank you so much for joining us, Dan. Super excited for Rewind.